sprawl has been rising over the decades and is continuously affecting the environment. As the said developments are being constructed, many undeveloped areas are being harmed and thus resulting in a high deforestation rate and forest loss. As the population in the Philippines increases, with an urban population of 52,951,609 in 2021, giving a 1.93% in 2020. The need for sustainable living, houses, and buildings are being called for.
Breaking news! A civil engineer claims to resolve deforestation by cutting more trees. We have received a report regarding this, and let's watch it.
Good morning. Welcome to our exclusive interview with civil engineer Jasmine Segi. We have been reached out, and so we invited Engineer Segi to introduce to us his new project in promoting sustainable living. Mr. Segi?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Miss Rebotazo. I heard the news about the urban sprawl that caused the loss of trees. Therefore, I have thought of creating a design project that would make the developments better and livable.
So tell us, Engineer Segi, what is your design project all about? What does it entail?
Well, as we cannot deny that these developments are inevitable, I have thought about building sustainable infrastructure through the application of green building construction. But this new engineering method also includes the extraction, relocation, and transplantation of trees. But you might even wonder how we're able to do that enormous task. Well, let me explain. So, we have this new technology called the tree spade. Do you even know what that is? Well, it is a tree spade, a big one, where it will have to dig around the tree and hydrate it while avoiding damaging the roots. Then it will extract it from the soil, since it will be easier for the tree extraction due to the moisture. Once the land is cleared of trees, then we will proceed in the green building construction. What's that, you might ask? Well, it's technically using environmental friendly construction materials, which reduces CO2 emissions, or some of you might call it carbon dioxide, which in turn harm the environment. But of course, we have to lay the groundwork first and plan it in the drafting board. Then, after the shear testing, pH soil testing, surveying, and excavating the land, we now start building the infrastructure. You might wonder, where the trees go? Well, the same trees are going to be transplanted in the site itself, where it will serve its purpose in preventing soil erosion and providing oxygen which recycles the air. After all of that, we now complete the interiors and set the finishing touches of the green building itself. So everything
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, drafting. I totally understand it. So, you prevent deforestation by cutting more trees? Yeah, I totally get it. Yeah.
glad we're on the same page. Wait, what? No!
This is absolutely ridiculous. These civil engineers doesn't truly care on our environment. All they know is to build and just build. Are they even real engineers?
Seriously? All civil engineers these days only care for the money instead of the people and the environment. This is not forgivable. Are we letting this happen? Come on, guys.
What do you think about that? That wasn't very appropriate, was it?
I agree. The recent activities of civil engineers these days are the hard proof of our decline in education. Let me ask, is this what all the universities really teach? Destruction of the environment?
Exactly. What would the state of our country be if that would continuously happen? Loss of trees can cause climate change and produce more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. And, obviously that's not sustainable.
It would only result in more damages rather than making it livable. Seriously.
You're so right about that. Hashtag cancel.ce. Hashtag what's wrong with the engineer Segi.
OMG, what is his problem? He is not cool at all. Hashtag cancel.ce.
Hey, Engineer Segi. We have heard about the issue that is currently circulating around the world. This concern has been the talk in all media. Your innovative method in resolving urban sprawls and loss of trees, I believe, should now be addressed.
Yeah. Well, that's right. I also believe that it has to be addressed now, immediately. They just totally misunderstood what I said, and the interview was not even complete. I only meant that we can build sustainable buildings without the need of harming our environment totally. We can develop without resulting in environmental damages.
Can you explain this further?
Well, green building technology implements design in structures, buildings, and commercial spaces that are environmentally accountable and resource efficient throughout the building's life cycle. As we go through urban developments, we can still integrate our environment into it. Don't you think? This method adopts certain techniques that help to save the ecosystem and conserve the environment.
That is actually brilliant. You found a way to really make buildings sustainable, environmentally friendly, and economical. I believe this also consumes less energy, has low maintenance cost, and produces better air quality.
I agree. And with this new technology, we can move or relocate trees without ever harming them completely. But the problem is, how can we explain this to the public in layman's terms?
Wait, I think I have an idea. Do you all remember our TIP days when we used lobster simulation as our teaching tool? Maybe we can use a similar one.
Just like playing a game, everyone will understand now.
What's up, fam? It's your boy streamer here, and now. This looks like a decent game. I feel like a civil engineer now. Ooh, so that's how it works. I understand now what they meant by that. I think that I used to hate civil engineers. I guess I was the one being ridiculous. What do you think, chatmates?
Good day, my viewers! CQT here. So, reporting about the infamous project is actually very good. It's in the final stages and surprisingly, the environment is actually good. Nothing harmed, nothing more, nothing less. So, here it is. I assure you and I commend the engineers that work here that there are no trees nor vines nor any plants is harmed. And that's very good. So, that's it. So, don't forget to leave a like, thumbs up, and stay healthy. Hashtag protect the environment. Hashtag civil engineering for the win. Bye-bye.
bye.